Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about the lab reports and those other lab policies and those other important issues. Right. First, lab report has the following the three parts. Okay. The first is the pre-lab. Okay. The pre-lab is still at the beginning of your lab section. Right. So pre-lab has the title and then experiment overview, no technical question sections. Okay. Reagent table section and reference and also procedure. Okay. Before you prepare your pre-lab, okay, please read the pre-lab instructions. Okay, so that's give you kind of the information. What's reading and what's the video you need to look at and what section. Okay, so you need to complete. Okay, so. And then during the lab section, okay, so you need to finish the data and observation. Okay, so and then after the lab, okay, so once you done the whole experiment, okay, so you need to also finish the post lab. Okay, post lab will some kind of the worksheet. Okay, so post online, you just download it and then print out and then just kind of put your answer in. Okay. So 40 is an example of the lab report. Okay, so here I give you more detailed information for each component. Okay, and the first is the pre-lab. Okay, so in pre-lab, okay, so you need the list the titles. Okay, and then experiment overview. Okay, experiment overview. Okay, so include the reaction and also the isolation. So isolation is kind of after reaction. How do you isolate your product from kind of reaction mixture? Okay, and then purification. Purification kind of how do you purify your crude product? Okay, so normally by the kind of localization, distillation. So the last section is kind of characterization. So how do you figure out the which compound whether you get kind of right compound or how is purity of your compound? Okay, so we can done it by kind of a melting point, boiling point, and those the NMR IR. Okay, right. So for the experimental overview. Okay, so make sure you give the enough information. Okay, and also use complete sentence. Okay, so this section kind of easy to lose the point. Okay. And but just keep in mind, not all the experiment has all these four components. Okay, so for some experiment, okay, so don't have reactions. Okay, so in this case, you only list kind of three other components. Okay, so isolation, purification, and characterization. Okay, right. And the next kind of reaction. Okay, so for reaction, okay, so if we have some reaction, okay, for this current, okay, so you need draw the reaction kind of equations. Okay. Show the structure of your starting material and reaction condition, reagent, okay, solvent, and then eventually show the kind of your product. Okay. Again, so note that all the lab has the reactions. Okay, so this one kind of depends what experiment we have. Okay, right, and then following kind of new technical questions. Okay, so in each lab we will learn some kind of new lab techniques. Okay, and then in the pre-lab instruction I will ask you kind of read certain chapters in our lab textbook. Okay, and then get some ideas about the new technique we need to learn, and then watch also some kind of videos. Okay, and afterwards you need to answer some questions. Okay, so those questions will be posted in the pre-lab instructions. Okay, and the following section is the reagent kind of table. Okay, so in this section, okay, so you need to list all the chemicals and the product and reagents you use in kind of this experiment. Okay, so just kind of try to the screen out the chemicals. Okay, from the handout. Okay. And so for the reagent table, you need to include the following items. Okay, so name of the compound, okay, chemical formula, molecular structure, and the molecular weight, boiling point, melting point, and density. And so those information actually kind of you can search from some online database. Okay, so like Wikipedia, okay, or some kind of even you can just use the Google. Okay. And I also post some kind of the professional kind of database, okay, online. Okay, so on Educate. Okay, so you can also look at kind of what's the other the database. Okay, you can search for these chemicals. Okay, and the next section is the reference. Okay, so just list all the materials, okay, and also the information kind of resource, okay, for you to complete this the pre-lab, okay. So normally speaking, kind of you need to use some kind of database to complete this region table, okay, and also some kind of lab textbook, okay? Also the lab handout, okay. Right, and then the last section is kind of experimental procedure, okay. So you need kind of give detailed enough information, how do you finish the experiment, okay. So normally you get all this information also from lab handout, okay. And so my suggestion is kind of you can itemized kind of the procedures. Okay, so right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's help to easily track your reaction kind of process. Okay, just keep in mind. Okay, during the lab section, you are not allowed to bring any textbook, okay, and the handout or any online resource, okay. So for your experiment, okay. So this pre-lab is the only resource for you to complete your experiment, okay. So that means kind of you have kind of write your experiment procedure detailed enough, okay. And but you don't need to use the complete sentence to complete kind of your experiment procedure, okay. And sometimes, okay, I also ask you guys kind of try to draw some the glassware setup kind of diagram, okay, in the end of the procedures, okay. So that's example showed here, okay. And so normally the drawing kind of you can get it from our lab textbook, okay. Right, so that's pre-lab, okay. Right, and then during the lab section, okay, so make sure you bring your pre-lab, okay. So you need to follow your pre-lab to finish your experiment, okay. And important thing kind of here, we need to finish the second the part of the lab report. That's data and observation, okay. So for the data observation, okay, so you need the like I said, kind of record detailed procedure, okay. So how do you complete this experiment, okay, and use complete sentence, okay. So how detailed, okay? So detailed enough for some other person only read your data observation can complete can repeat the same experiment, okay. And also you need list all the data, okay. So for example, kind of the mass, weight, and also volume of the region, okay, and then concentrations, okay, and also some kind of temperatures, okay, melting point, boiling point, okay, and also final product kind of the mass yield, okay. And here, just keep in mind, okay, so different from kind of the procedure, okay. So okay, so you need the pay attention to kind of significant figures, okay. So for example, okay, so for our balance can reach the 3 decimal after the point, okay. So in this case, when you record the mass of your region, okay, so you need record kind of 3 digital after the point, okay. So example showed here, okay. So although the original kind of the lab procedure write down 2.0 gram, okay, so of salicylic acid, okay, but here, okay, so in your database you need write down kind of 2.150 gram of the salicylic acid, okay. And for volume, okay, normally there are kind of the 2 decimal, okay, after the point, okay. And similar thing for kind of the temperature, okay. Temperature is normally kind of 1 decimal after the point, okay. Right, and also in the database, okay, so you need at least kind of the observations, okay, for the experiment, okay. For example, kind of change of the colors, okay, and then the solution begin to boil, okay, and then the phase change, okay. So top phase kind of aqueous phase, bottom is kind of the organic phase, okay. When you do extraction, also some kind of the final product kind of color and appearance, okay. So final product you get kind of the night white crystal, something like this, okay. Right, and so that's the second part, okay, data observation, okay. The experiment, okay, so you need kind of download kind of the post lab, okay. Post lab is some kind of worksheet, okay. So you just kind of the download the printout, okay, and then normally kind of first you fill some kind of the data, okay, like the melting point, boiling point, okay, yield, okay, and then there are some kind of questions, okay. So short answer question, okay.